Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Maker USD price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is a special request from C-Priest. C-Priest is a very active person on this channel, and he asked me for a Maker analysis, and I would be glad to give it to you. It's my pleasure, my friends, so thank you also for your support. And don't forget, guys, to support also this channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So let's see the Maker. Very nice chart, very simple. Starting on the weekly, I mean, to be honest, yeah, we're gonna move a little bit in the 4 hour as well, but it's not really necessary. It's very clear already in the weekly as well on the daily, so we're gonna see it. However, on Maker, we have, it's very simple. You have an impulse here, right? This is your impulse on the weekly, where you have a wave A, right, for a zigzag, and then you have 3 waves toward the downside for a wave B. Then you got your final impulse as a wave C, finishing here a wave W. Right? We're gonna see why it is W, because of course we did not get any impulse, right? Because we did not get any higher low, right? Higher high. So after this, we are looking again here for a potential impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially, where even it can be considered as a 3 waves, so it doesn't matter here. You possibly have also A, B, and a C, where you have also here A, B, C is very like opposite 3 waves. It's a very regular flat where you are looking for a finished wave C again with a 5 impulsive waves. Right, so in 5 impulsive waves, where you are looking here already at 1, 2, and you are in the middle now of a wave 3 towards the downside, and then a wave 4 and a 5, hitting 1-to-1 fib level, given from the start of this flat to the end of the A, to the base point of the B, giving you, of course, a fib level at 1. For $320. Very yeah, I mean, it could be less. Don't forget that also you have several I know that the price sounds very low, but yeah, I mean, I don't know, this is how Elliott Wave says that it might be, right? Why I cannot, yeah. Here we go. So it might be also your 0.618, right? So it is very possible as a less common target that it might be only the 0.618, where you have the 846. So it can be that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as diagonal, finishing over here and then move up again. All right. So this is still your flat. Okay. However, your most common target is the 1-to-1. Okay, actually we were there before, so it will not be very surprising if we go back for Maker. So yeah, it could be possible, right? 3, 4, 5. Then after this, you want to see a move up, of course, towards the upside very impulsively. I mean, because you have finished here a zigzag, another zigzag or a flat, okay, then you need to finish with a zigzag. You need 3 structured WXY, right? And your wave Y is gonna hit, of course, between the 0.618 and the 1 fib level, which is a very high number, right? 10,000 and 88,000, right? So yeah, pretty nice range for Maker. So yeah, everything is possible. By the way, Maker is very known for its sideways ranging, right? It's very known, this chart, for its sideways ranging. By the way, I was using this coin before with the grid bot, right? That is something called grid bot, where it can make money when you have a coin that it range so much you can have your grid bot, which it has several grids here, where it buys and sells on each line that it hits. So it can be a very profitable bot, of course, if you use the maker on it. Of course, no financial advice, but this is what is a very known maker with this, right? So, and as you can see, we see a lot of ranging here and the same here, but yeah, after a while it might goes even higher to 10,000 as well. Again, which the highest? Yeah, the highest was 6,000 anyway, so it's not so far to get to the 10,000, right, guys? So yeah, on the daily, then I have nothing yet to add, because if you are bullish, you don't have any signal of 5 waves towards the upside and 3 waves towards the downside. Unfortunately, we lack of as a signal. We don't have it. Possibly, if we have it here, if this is gonna be considered as 1-2, if you want to take this as an impulse and 1-2, what would you do with this leg where you have already an ABC? You still have a leg here that you need to fill, so it's not possible. This structure belongs, of course, to this, right? So, sorry, to this one, right? So it belongs to this one. There is no way to separate our counting from here. That is the problem. So therefore, we lack of any 5 waves, 3 waves down and push up to say that we are impulsive. So we are still looking towards the downside. Of course, the same is for the 4-hour chart. There is nothing to, I mean, it's a very clear trend here with Maker. It's very simple chart, by the way, where we can see already here a 5 waves up and 3 waves down for wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing your wave 1 of 3, and then you might go even down towards the downside. So yeah, that's it for Maker. I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet for the channel. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.